In olden times, when wishing still had power, there was a king whose daughters were all beautiful, with the youngest being exceptionally radiant that even the sun marveled at her beauty. One day, while playing with her golden ball, it fell into a deep well in a dark forest near the king's castle. Distraught, she wept, and a frog appeared, offering to retrieve the ball in exchange for companionship. Dismissing the frog, she agreed, thinking he couldn't possibly keep his promise. Surprisingly, the frog succeeded but was disregarded by the princess. Later, when he demanded entry into the castle, the princess, bound by her word, reluctantly let him in. As they ate together, she found his company unpleasant. Eventually, he revealed himself as a prince cursed by a witch. The princess's anger led her to throw him against the wall, breaking the curse, and he transformed back into a prince. Faithful Henry, the prince's servant, who had been sorrowful during the frog form, accompanied them to the prince's kingdom with immense joy, his heart bands breaking as he was relieved of his grief.